So if you're a home service professional and use Housecall Pro for scheduling and dispatch, then I'm going to show you a trick that's going to help you save time and focus on closing a whole lot more deals, which is ultimately going to help you make more money. So this automation is going to take all of your lead information from your email and flow it directly into your Housecall Pro account. So most of you typically have some sort of contact page on your website, which is totally fine. We can start this automation with what you have right now. So let's send in a test form so that we have a good solid starting point for our automation. Great. Now that the email form has been sent, let's go over to our email and see if it landed. So typically this is a very common practice for a lot of you home service pros or office receptionists. You go into your email and you see that a new lead came in, and then you would take this information and then put it over into Housecall Pro manually. But what we're going to do is that we're going to use this same email as the template from which all other emails coming in with leads are going to follow. Now you can do this automation completely for free on the basic Zapier account. So you don't have to spend any money getting this done, which is pretty cool. So head on over to Zapier. You're going to click create Zap. Our trigger. So the event that's going to start our Zap is going to be that email. So all our leads coming through email. So we're going to choose email as our starting point. And the type of event that's going to trigger this is going to be an email matching a specific search, because we don't want to have every single email be analyzed. So we're going to connect the correct email account that you have all of your leads flowing into. Right here, the search keywords, super important. You're going to paste the exact same subject line that you're going to receive for every single message coming from your website. We're going to click continue. And the cool thing about Zapier is that you can test every single step as you're going through building the automation, which helps you ensure that you are following all the steps that you want to take. So we're gonna go ahead and test our first step, and we can see the last record that was pulled is the record that we actually made, and we can ensure that by looking into the conversation. You can see that that is my name right there. You can see that all of this HTML right here is a little bit confusing for a human to look at, but my information is in there. If we look at the body plane, you see, hello, I need some cleaning done in my apartment. This is my email. Here's my name. So yes, we have the right email found. We're going to continue with the selected record. Or our next step is going to be AI by Zapier. So this is going to help us analyze that long block of text and just draw out the specific contact fields that we need. So by utilizing AI by Zapier, we're going to click Analyze and Return Data. So we're going to configure that. And we're going to give this AI a prompt. So we're going to give it an instruction. What we're going to give it is extract the contact information from the following piece of text: first name, last name, email, phone number, and message. Then you're going to let it know what piece of text. Here is the piece of text. You're going to click the plus button. And instead of giving it the plain body message, you're going to give it the body HTML. Why? Because artificial intelligence can scan through a long block of text and extract the exact information that you are looking for. And we're going to give it that instruction with the output fields below. So, for example, first name, field description, first name of client, and so on and so forth for all of the fields that you are looking to extract from this piece of text. I'm going to fast forward until I fill all these in, and I'll be right back. All right, pretty straightforward. We got first name, last name, phone, email, and message. We have the prompt to extract the contact information. We have the body of text, which is the HTML coming from our email that was found. We're going to click continue and test the step. And there we go. First name, last name, phone number, email, and the message are all beautifully extracted, organized, ready for our next step. So we're going to add our next step, which is going to be adding in a Housecall Pro customer. So creating a customer, sign into your Housecall Pro account. Very good. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to log into your Housecall Pro account, because you may not know how to do it. And you can see that I've connected into it already a couple of times, but I'm going to show you exactly where to go to get your API key. And mind you, this is only available for all of the subscriptions other than the basic subscription for Housecall Pro. So in order to do that, you're going to go over to your Housecall Pro account. You're going to go over to App Store, go to App Store, and you're simply going to search for Zapier. Once you find Zapier, you're going to go over to the top right and you're going to find your API key. Your API key is going to be your access code, basically. That's going to allow Zapier to talk to Housecall Pro and vice versa. But like I mentioned, Zapier is only available with Housecall Pro in the Essentials and Max plan, not the basic plan. So keep that in mind. We're going to go back to our Housecall Pro, insert our API key, continue to Housecall Pro, and that should automatically connect us to our Housecall Pro account. Very good. Then we're going to configure. Now this is where it gets fun. You can now plug in the data that was analyzed by AI directly into the fields for your customer creation step for Housecall Pro. So as you can see, first name, last name, you got email, there it is, phone number, do the phone number. We're going to finish out this automation so we can see if it worked. So we're going to test the step. Great. It says successful. So we're going to hop over to Housecall Pro and see if it actually happened. We're going to go to customers, and we should have a brand new customer. And here I am. This is me right here. Brand new customer that was created all through Housecall Pro. So that was us testing the automation. We're going to go ahead and give it a name, contact form to Housecall Pro. We're going to publish this. Great. And now for the final moment, we're going to test this automation live just to make sure that it's working. So we're going to go back to our contact. We're going to give it another name, test name, email test at gmail.com. Phone number is going to be 619-980-0897. This is a test. Send. And hopefully, if everything was done correctly, we have successfully eliminated the need to have to go through our email, open up our Housecall Pro account, and type in or copy and paste the contact information. All of that is going to be done automatically every single time from now on, hopefully. So let's go back to our Housecall Pro account, and there it is. The automation is working exactly as we thought. You got your test name, fake phone number, fake email, and that's it. That's all. You have successfully created a Housecall Pro customer into your Housecall Pro account automatically from your emails. So now every single time a lead comes into your email, you know that this person's information is going to go straight into Housecall Pro without you having to lift a finger anymore. So that was a simple automation that you can do in about 10 to 15 minutes, and you don't have to be super technical to do it. And if you like this type of content, or you would like to get more tutorials about automations with Housecall Pro, or how to get the most out of your Housecall Pro subscription as a home service pro, then subscribe to the channel, hit the like on the video, and hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I post a video just like this, so I can help you reclaim your time and close more deals using Housecall Pro, Zapier, and whatever type of CRM that you like to use. And with that, I will see you on the next one.